Hey, this video, I promised one of our really good customers, he was interested in a Fender Champ, and I told him that I do a version which is completely modded. In this case, I'm using it I'm running a 12-inch speaker, of course, a Celestion, one of those 70th anniversary G12s. However, I mean the stock one, I modded it with this 6-inch Jensen. Sounds great too. But I think this amp shines when you're running it into a 210 or 212 or a single 12, and that's when it really does shine. Let's run through a couple of tones. I'm using a Les Paul style guitar. Here's the clean sound. These are high output pickups as well. So. It's very responsive to how you hit the string. So like if I play the same chord here, let's just say starts to break up. I'm in the middle position just to keep it simple. Now that's in your stock position. It's been modded, but we can go, if I want to give it a little bit more, I guess, a little bit more gain, a little bit more quicker breakup, flick that switch down. Now you get... Let's try the neck. Here's the bridge. I'm at 4 on the volume, and of course this one goes to 12. Normally without any mods, it wouldn't be this loud or near this smooth or crunchy. I'm going to go back to the standard mode here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in one of our fuzz pedals on top of it. It takes pedals really good. This is our Mighty Tiny Fuzz. And then neck. I just rolled back on the volume a little bit on the guitar. Alright, there you have it. Hopefully that came through okay, and I apologize again. We just moved. I don't have my complete recording set up, put together, so I'm using an iPad. Hopefully it came through alright. Just to give you an idea. Thank you.